Tonight, comments from Pima County Attorney Laura Conover about a controversial case has her at odds with the Tucson Police Department. News for Tucson's Jacob Owens was there when she made the remarks initially. He joins us live in Midtown with more on what was said. Jacob.
Sean, these comments came last night. Conover was speaking at a public safety town hall in Ward 2, and this occurred when a member of the audience was asking about the controversial case of Daniel Hollander. Hollander is a Tucson man who earlier this year entered a school armed with a knife and a gun.
Hollander received a year and a half behind bars after pleading guilty to entering a Tucson school on January 16th with a knife and gun, and for talking about killing kids. This is what Conover said about the case.
The statements about what he might do or not do, or why he was there, or why he had a weapon, came post-arrest and were not preserved under a case called Miranda, with Miranda rights in such a way that we lost some evidence there.
The Tucson Police Department put out a lengthy statement today addressing Conover's remarks. Here are those in part. TPD says Hollander received his Miranda rights twice the day of the incident. In this body cam footage, a detective with TPD gets confirmation from Hollander that he has already been read his Miranda rights. Then the detective reads them again. Here's the start of that.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Tucson police went on to say that the Pima County Attorney's Office never expressed concerns, objections, or clarification about Hollander receiving his Miranda rights. Also included is a statement from Tucson Police Chief Chad Kazmar. In it, Kazmar says he's disappointed with the lack of communication and a, quote, lenient plea agreement offered by Conover's office. He adds that when someone in crisis goes into one of our elementary schools with violent intent to harm children, they should be held criminally accountable for a significant amount of time, in conjunction with court-ordered treatment.
Sean, we reached out to Laura Conover's office today. We were told she wasn't available, but there's a possibility of an interview next week. We're going to keep following through on that. Reporting live in Midtown, Jacob Owens, News 4 Tucson.